Urban Action is a ministry dedicated to reaching inner city youth. Our strategy has been simple. We go where they are. In 2007, we started going to the skate parks of our city with the purpose of sharing the good news of Jesus Christ. Our hearts are still passionate about going where they are and sharing that good news. But it is 2016, and there is a new place where the youth are gathering today. That place is the online world. Today, 40% of the world population has online access. In 1995, it was less than 1%. 92% of teens in the US have internet access. 72% use 2 or more platforms several times each day. Globally, our youth today have better chances to access a smartphone than clean water. Isolation, depression, bullying, and obesity are only of the few negative effects of technology in our youth today. This is why our ministry is making an effort to develop quality media content to reach the youth and share the transforming message of hope in Jesus Christ.